Hello, good morning my lovely students. I am very happy to see that you have completed your work which I have sent you through the PDF. Remember, on parents meeting you gave me the books for correction and I have completed that checking and I am satisfied that my students are following my guidelines and they are following what I am saying. So, today, आज हम exercise 7 start करेंगे chapter 1 and this video will be our part 13. I know this chapter is too lengthy and you are so much tired, but this will be probably the second last video, or I can say the last video. Okay, so let's start. Oh, hold on. The exercise 7. In this exercise, we will be discussing about the Roman numerals, or I can say that Roman numbers. Oh, आप बहुत बोर हो गए हो नहीं? मैथ्स बहुत बोरिंग चल रहा है. For that, उसको इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए I have something for you. आज हम एक मैजिकल वे में और I can say fun loving वे में आज हम एक्सरसाइज 7 स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट हम एक्सरसाइज 7 का वीडियो देखेंगे. ओह, I opened up the surprise, but it's okay. हम पहले एक वीडियो देखेंगे, उसके बाद हम एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे and we will discuss about the worksheet of same exercise. Okay, so let's start. So now we will look and discuss about our seventh exercise. Okay, हम seventh exercise के जो भी main topics है like Roman numbers, Hindu Arabic numbers में कैसे convert करेंगे, कुछ चीजें important है जो seventh exercise में discuss करेंगे. वो सब चीजों को discuss करने के लिए और maths को थोड़ा और interesting बनाने के लिए we will watch a video. I will pause the video and I will explain you the concept. Then afterwards, we will move to the exercise. Okay? So let's start it.
Roman numerals were developed by the Romans many years ago. However, we still use them in our daily life. We often find these numerals on the faces of certain clocks, timepieces.
Roman numbers हमें कहाँ दिखने को मिलते हैं? First of all, Roman numbers were developed by Romans many years ago. However, we still use them in our daily life. We often find these numbers on the faces of these certain clocks, books, etc. See, this is a clock. In this, आपको Roman numbers दिख रहे हैं. आपको 1, 2, 3 वैसे वाले numbers नहीं दिखते. आपको Roman numbers दिखते हैं. कुछ books में आपको अभी भी Roman numbers की print दिखती है. Okay?
Pieces, books, etc. The Romans used only 7 symbols to form numbers.
This is very important. This table is also drawn in your textbook. You can also refer the table. Open your textbook. Page number of this table is on page number 21. On page number 21, you can see the heading Roman numerals and you can see the table as well. Okay, the same table is drawn here for a better understanding. Okay, so let's have a look on this. हम Hindu Arabic numeral according we used to write 1. हम Roman में कैसे लिखेंगे? I. 5 को हम Roman में कैसे लिखेंगे? V. 10 is written in Roman as X. L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. Understood? ये table आपको बहुत important है. You need to remember this table. Then only you are able to solve the exercise 7. Okay? See, 1 stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100. D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. Okay?
Combinations of these 7 symbols are used to create numbers.
See, only 7 symbols are used.
Let us learn to form.
Only 7 symbols are used to make numbers. मैं ये 7 सिंबल की हेल्प से ही मैं सारे नंबर्स बनाती हूँ. But remember, in Roman numbers system there is not a single symbol for zero. रोमन नंबर सिस्टम के अंदर जीरो के लिए कोई भी सिंबल स्पेसिफिकली नहीं है। रोमन नंबर सिस्टम के अंदर we use only 7 symbols. We combine that 7 symbols and make a huge number. Okay?
To create numbers, let us learn to form Roman numerals of numbers up to 100. We follow some basic rules to write Roman numerals. The symbols I and X can be used up to 3 times in a number and the values are added.
Wait, see, this is the rule 1 for the Roman number of numerals. In this rule, हम I or X, I stands for 1 and X stands for 10. मैं ये दो सिंबल सिर्फ 3 बार यूज कर सकती हूँ, मैक्सिमम 3 टाइम्स इन अ नंबर. सी, मैंने 2 बार 1 लिखा, दैट मींस 1 plus 1 2, 3 times 1 1 plus 1 plus 3. ओके, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. मैंने 2 बार X लिखा, एक X कितने, एक 1X. सी, this 1X stands for 10, this another X stands for 10. 10 plus 10 results to 20. अब 10, 10, 10 results to 30. Understood? Understood? In this you have to remember that we can only use one symbol maximum 3 times. Okay? This is your first rule. These rules are also given in your textbook, page number 21.
Remember, the symbols V, L and D are never repeated. So 10 is written as...
The symbols V, L and D are never repeated. V stands for 5, L stands for 50 and D stands for 500. These symbols are never ever repeated.
As X and not a double V. Similarly, 100 is written as C and not double L. A smaller Roman numeral written on the right of the greater Roman numeral is added to the greater numeral is equal to 5 plus.
See, let's have a look on this. A smaller Roman numeral written on the right side means, for example, let's take this example. V11. V stands for 5. Means कोई भी बड़े नंबर के बाजू में कोई भी छोटा न्यूमरल होगा तो वो ऐड होगा. Like 5 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 7. Understood? See, 10, 10, 20 or 3, 1. 1, 1, 1 results to 23. That means अगर कोई भी ग्रेटर न्यूमरल के बाजू में कोई भी स्मॉलर होगा तो इन दोनों के बीच में क्या होगा? एडिशन. Understood? See, a smaller Roman numeral written on the right hand, right of the greater Roman numeral means कोई भी बड़े न्यूमरल के बीच में राइट साइड लिखा हुआ है तो कोई भी छोटा नंबर तो वो ऐड होगा. This is the second most important rule. Okay? Have a look on this example. LXI, LX1. L stands for 50, X stands for 10 and 1 stands for 1. That results into 61. C stands for 100, X stands for 10. 1, 1, 1, 1. So what will be my answer? 130. Understood? Please have a look on this. It's very important. Okay? So should I move to the next topic?
1 plus 1, which equals 7, is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 23, which equals 50 plus 10 plus 1, which equals 61, which equals 100 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 113.
A Roman numeral of smaller value written on the left of a Roman numeral of greater value is subtracted from the numeral of greater value. V, L and D are never subtracted.
See, the second point पॉइंट वाज कि अगर ग्रेटर नंबर की राइट हैंड साइड अगर कोई स्मॉलर होगा तो इट विल बी एडेड, बट नाउ अगर ग्रेटर नंबर की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड अगर कोई भी स्मॉलर न्यूमरल होगा, दैट न्यूमरल विल बी डिडक्टेड. Deducted means subtracted. Okay, have a look on this. X stands for 10. X stands for 10. Here it is. Okay, X stands for 10 or 1. 1 left hand side, so it will be minus. 10 minus 1 equals to 9. L stands for 50. L के left hand side कौन है? X. So it will be deducted. That will be the result of 40. Understood? Means कोई भी greater न्यूमरल के बाजू में अगर राइट साइड होगा तो प्लस, अगर लेफ्ट साइड होगा तो माइनस. ओके, see in this. X, L and D are never subtracted. L stands for 50 and D stands for 500. ये कभी भी subtracted नहीं होते हैं. X can be subtracted from L and C. L stands for 50, C stands for 100. ये सिर्फ एक ही बार माइनस हो सकते हैं X में से. Understood? Okay.
X can be subtracted from L and C only once. When a Roman numeral of smaller value is placed between two Roman numerals of greater values, its value is always subtracted from the value of the symbol on its right.
Oh, total we learned today 4 rules, and this is the summary you have to remember. Okay, see, a Roman numeral of a smaller value can be written on the left hand of the Roman number of a greater value only once. मैं या तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड या तो राइट हैंड साइड, I can only write it once. Okay, so our incorrect term, see 5 के पहले 2 बार 1, that is incorrect term. X के पहले 3 बार 1, that is incorrect term. Double XL, it's incorrect term. Okay, a symbol can be repeated up to maximum 3 times only. कोई भी एक symbol हम सब 3 बार repeat कर सकते हैं. So that's all for today. In this video we covered our 4 main rules of Roman numbers. In next video we will have a quick recall of these rules, and in next video we will be starting our exercise 7. And remember, I will be sending you the PDF tomorrow, so do that you can have a copy in your favorites. एक बुक आपकी मेरे पास होगी, तो आप तब तक दूसरी बुक में आप अपनी एक्सरसाइज लिखना शुरू कर सकते हैं. If you have completed and submitted me exercise 1 and 2, so you can start copying in the other book for exercise 3. Okay? So that's all for today. Bye. God bless you.